Hey, it's Up Note Guy. Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be talking about battery maintenance and trickle charging for my John Deere 2025R. It's a tractor I've owned for 4.5 years now. I've not used a trickle charger before because I'm always running it in the winter at least once a week, but lately I haven't been using it as much, so it's just sitting here in the garage and I'm concerned that battery is going to run down. So I'll show you what I looked at and what I bought for charging and trickle maintenance for the battery and how to install it in this video. Alright, so I haven't run this tractor in about a month. So it's been sitting here in the cold. I'll show you again without any trickle start how well does it start up. Let's just see. It's usually pretty good. It's been fine, but I'll show you how it starts here. Got good contact there. Battery showing charge, got the glow plugs warming up. Well, as long as I got it started up, I might as well go out and do a little bit of work. I'm just going to do some snow pushing here. Got a number of other videos on my channel about this tractor and the snow pusher, but basically without the charger, what I was doing before was just running it, either idling it in the garage or getting out doing a little bit of work in the winter just to get that battery charged up by the motor and get a little bit of work done. Started just fine, which I've been lucky. It's always been a tractor motor battery combination that's started really well, even if I leave it sit for like a month like that. So but I do want to put the battery tender and charger on. So this is the one I got. It's offered by John Deere. They got a couple of choices. This is a 1.5 amp battery charger and maintainer. I'll put in a little information in the video here about the other ones I looked at. These are made by John Deere, so I'm assuming they're the best fit for this battery and this tractor, but I'm sure there's other battery maintainers that you could use out there if you needed something. They make a 3 amp one that's just like this one here. They also make another 1.5 amp one that can actually bolt onto the frame. This is a model TY25866 made by John Deere. Here's what comes in the box. You get an instruction manual, you get the charger and maintainer itself right here. There is a quick connect here that goes to your battery terminals, and then there's also a plug into your AC in the wall. It's got 2 different ways to connect it. It looks like you can use a just a wire system where you put this one sort of more permanently on the battery, then you're connecting up to this to charge it, or you've got the alligator clips here to connect onto the battery terminals. So we get into the battery. The battery is located right here in front. It's not that accessible. You got to open the hood, and if you don't know how to open the hood, actually I have another video on my channel, real short one, showing you how to open the hood, but basically you just need kind of a screwdriver or some sort of prong here that'll stick right into this hole here. That will release the hood, and then the hood will open. So there's our battery down in there in the front. So I'm going to use the alligator clips. I think this will be easier. If you look at this, that's a really small terminal there, and I'm looking down in here. You have kind of a very large connection, sort of a typical top connection to this. It's just like a car battery, so I'm not seeing too easily where these are going to go on those bolts there. So I'm just going to use the alligator clips and put those on first, and then we'll do the quick connect here. Put the alligator clips in there. Why do they call them alligator clips? Because it looks like an alligator. All right, black to the negative side. And And get it on that bolt there. And then red to the positive side. And this part is going to plug into the maintainer. Here's this quick connect that'll just slip on there like that. So there's the connection there. All right, so I got my alligator clips on there. I got my quick connect on right here in tight. I've not plugged this into the wall yet, so no power coming through there. So I'm just going to plug this in here. Let's see what happens. And there you see it lights up. And it hit the little yellow there, which says that it's charging. So it's a charger maintainer. So it'll slowly charge the battery. It's only 1.5 amps, so it's going to be kind of slow, but I don't need it to charge fast. Then it's going to maintain. So you just leave it plugged in, which is great. It's sitting here for weeks. I'm not using it. The battery's always going to be topped up and charged. It automatically knows when to cycle through and put a little bit more power in there. So that's the setup here. Hopefully this is helpful for you. Check out my channel, it's Up North Guy on YouTube. I got more videos about the 2025. Also other information on my channel about life and living up here, up north, northern Michigan. Do me a favor, give the video a thumbs up if this helped you. Share it out, drop a comment in there, that helps the channel. Hit subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Really appreciate that. And stay tuned to the channel. We got more stuff coming this winter and then coming into the spring.